students, welcome to the new part of the video. In today's video, we will be starting with Heron's formula, the new chapter for the 9th standard. So, Heron's formula की ज़रूरत क्यों पड़ी and Heron's formula क्या यूज का है? So, first of all, हम लोगों को अगर यदि एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल निकालना हो तो वी हैव अ फॉर्मूला लाइक हाफ बेस इनटू हाइट, जो कि हम लोग बचपन से पढ़ते आ रहे हैं कि इफ यू नीड टू फाइंड द एरिया फॉर ट्राइंगल यू नीड टू अप्लाई हाफ बेस इनटू हाइट. But if the triangle is scalene triangle and if the unusual triangle is given to you whose three sides are given to you, but you need to find the area for that triangle. So first of all आपको उसका height निकालना पड़ता है and sometimes it becomes very tedious to find out the height in the triangle. So the scientist known as Heron's developed one formula which will give you the area of the triangle if you know the sides of all the triangles. So if you know the three sides of the triangle, the area will be with you just by using the formula which was given by the scientist Heron's. So it was given by the Heron's, that's why the name of the formula is Heron's formula. इसलिए चैप्टर का नाम भी हमने Heron's formula देखा है. तो बेसिकली हमको क्या करना है चैप्टर में, ह्यूरॉन्स फॉर्मूला हमको क्या बताता है, इट टेल्स यू अबाउट द एरिया ऑफ द ट्रायंगल. तो ट्रायंगल का एरिया निकालने के लिए सो दिस इज द फॉर्मूला व्हिच वाज गिवन बाय द ह्यूरॉन्स. So the area of the triangle is nothing but under root of s into s minus a, s minus b, s minus c. So let's have a look what do the terms means here. A, B, C is nothing but the triangles, the sides of the triangle. For an example, if you have such type of a triangle, and if suppose this is A, B and C, ये आपकी side है A, this is B, this is C. So the measure of side is given to you A, B and C. So if the sides are given and you need to find the area, just you need to apply this formula and area is with you. It's so simple. So what do we mean by S over here? S is nothing but it is a semi-parameter. So what do we mean by parameter? Parameter is nothing but the summation of all sides. So if I write the parameter of this triangle, it comes out to be A plus B plus C. This is nothing but the summation for all the three sides. And the word means semi means half. So semi-parameter is nothing will be half of the parameter. So A plus B plus C divided by 2. So this is nothing but the semi-parameter which is denoted by small s. So the formula is under root of s into s minus a, s minus b into s minus c. तो आपके पास तीन साइड्स दी हुई हैं तो एरिया निकालना बिल्कुल भी मुश्किल नहीं है if you know this formula. So that is very simple. And अभी हम सम्स देखेंगे तो आपको क्लियर हो जाएगा कि किस तरीके से हम ये फॉर्मूले को यूज करके how it becomes the life becomes so easy. So let's have a look on the sum and जैसे जैसे हम सम्स करते जाएंगे आपको आइडिया लगता जाएगा कि कैसे हम ह्यूरॉन्स फार्मूला का अच्छे से यूज कर सकते हैं. So find the area of the triangle, two sides of which are 8 cm and 11 cm. So what is given to you here is, if I tell A is given as 8 cm, one of the side of the triangle, B is given to you as 11 cm. And it is known that the perimeter is 32 cm. The third side of the triangle is not given to you. So if perimeter is given to you as 32 cm, so perimeter means what? The summation of all the sides. That is A plus B plus C. So if I have A plus B plus C, can I take out C from this equation? Let's see. A plus B plus C is equals to 32 and we have A and B with us. That is 8 plus 11 plus C is equals to 32. So C comes out to be 8 plus 11 gives me 19. 32 minus 19 will give me 13. So C comes out to be 13 square. So all the three sides I have with me. I need to just find the area of the triangle. Area of the triangle, the formula for area of the triangle is under root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. So do we have A, B and C with us? And we can take out s. S is nothing but it is a semi-parameter. So semi-parameter, parameter is given to you as 32. 32 divided by 2 will give me 16. Right? So 16 centimeter is my semi-parameter. Just substituting the values over here. 16 minus the A value is 8. 16 minus 11. 16 minus 13. Isn't it? Isn't it simple? 16 into 8 into 16 minus 11 will give you 5 into 16 minus 13 will give you 3. So this is the under root and when you solve it, how you will be solving it? 16, can I write it 2 into 2 into 2 लिख सकती हूँ into 5 into 3. So let's have a look. 16 को रूट से बाहर निकालूंगी तो it will be 4. ये 2 को बाहर निकालूंगी तो it will be 2. So the remaining thing in the root will be 2 5s are 10 and this is 30. So it comes out to be 8 root 30 centimeters square. Don't make the mistake, in the units it's area, so it will be square. And since the units are given to you in centimeters, so it will be centimeter square. So dear, please units ध्यान से लगाना है, क्योंकि area का formula है, इधर आपने सेंटीमीटर लेके नहीं चलेगा. So area is 8 root 30 centimeter square. I hope आप लोगों को आइडिया लग गया होगा कि किस तरीके से हमको ये फॉर्मूला यूज करना है. So let's have a look onto this question. A triangular park ABC. So you can see a park. This is a triangular park which is named as ABC. Has a side 120 meter, 80 meter and 50 meter. You can see 120 meter, 50 meter and 80 meter. A gardener has to put a fence all around. So this is a fence, as you can see. This is a fence all around it, and also plant a grass inside. अंदर क्या plant करना है? Grass plant करनी है. So here we need to have a grass in this area. Fine. So how much area does he need to plant? So first of all we need to find the area he need to plant the grass, and find the cost of fencing it with wire at the rate of rupees 20 per meter, leaving a space of 3 meter wide for a gate on one side. तो पहला टारगेट है हमको एरिया फाइंड आउट करना. तीनों साइड्स दिए हैं, तो क्या मैं एरिया फाइंड आउट कर सकती हूँ? सो A is given to me as suppose 50, B is given to me as 80 and C is given to me as 120. Fine. So what I have is, I have all these things. What I don't have is S. So S is nothing but the semi parameter. So S will be 50 plus 80 plus 120 upon 2. So 120 plus 80 will be 200, 250 upon 2. So it comes out to be 125 meter. So 125 meter is S. Now we need to take out the area. Just we need a formula, that is under root of S minus A, S minus B into S minus C. हर एक सम में फॉर्मूला लिखेंगे तो अपने आप याद हो जाएगा, याद करने की कुछ जरूरत ही नहीं है. So in this chapter you need not mug up anything. Just you have one formula and the chapter is done. So अभी बताएंगे कि S is given to you as 125. 125 minus 50, 125 minus 80 and 125 minus 120. So what we get in root is under root of 125 into 125 minus 50 will give me 75 into 125 minus 80 will give me 45 into 5. Fine. Just make the pairs and take out the pairs from the roots. So 125 can be written as 5 into 5 into 5. So 5 into 5 into 5 and ये वाला 5 मैं इधर लिख रही हूँ. Okay. Now the 45 can be taken as 9 into 5. And 75 can be written as 15 into 5. I hope this classification must be clear. Now 5 into 5, 5 into 5, 5 and 5. Can we take out 3 5 common, right? So it will be 5 into 5 into 125. तो मैंने बाहर निकाल लिया ऐसे ही. 3 का रूट होता है 9 का रूट होता है 3 and remaining is 15. So under root में बचा कितना 15. So if you multiply this you will get 5 7 375 under root 15. This is the area. You need to have a unit of meter square. The reason is the units are given to you as in meters. So the area will be meter square. Don't forget to put this square. So it is in meter square. Now what we are left with is कि हमको ये निकालना है कि how much fencing do we require and what will be the cost of the fencing. So fencing लगानी है मतलब ये इसके इर्द गिर्द लगानी है, मतलब उसके पैरामीटर पर लगानी है. So let's see what is the parameter for the triangle. So it is 50 plus 80 plus 120. So is it 250 meters? The parameter comes out to be 250 meters, and it is being given that we need to leave the gap of 3 meter for the gate. So we need to have a fencing leaving 3 meters from 250 meters. So let's find out what will be the cost. Let's have a look over here. So parameter need to be fenced. Fencing parameter लिख देती हूँ इधर. Fencing parameter कौन सा parameter होगा? That will be 250 minus 3. So it comes out to be 247 meter. 247 meter में मेरे को fencing करनी है. And it is being given that find the cost of fencing it with a wire at the rate of 20 per meter. 1 मीटर fencing के लिए मेरे को कितना पैसा लग रहा है? 20 रुपए. So cost of 1 meter is rupees 20. So cost for 247 meters will be how much? Cost of 247 meters will be equal to 247 into 20 होगा, isn't it? Now just we need to multiply 4. So 4940 will be the cost required to fence the rectangular garden. So I hope the question must be very easy and clear to you all. Just the additional part which we need to require here, and वो भी बहुत easy है, कुछ नहीं करना है, just parameter निकाल करके, and we need to have a gap of 3. That's why we have subtracted 3 from here. I think the question is easy. Let's have a look onto this question. The sides of the triangular plot are in the ratio 3:5:7 and its perimeter is 300 meter. Find its area. So ratios, sides के हमको क्या दिए हैं? Ratios दिए हैं 3:5:7. So let the side be x. We will say let the side be x. So सबके ratios दिए हैं. So and it has been given me the perimeter is 300 meter. तो मैं क्या ये रिलेशन बना सकती हूँ कि सारे साइड्स को ऐड कर दूंगी तो मेरे को 300 मीटर मिलेगा. सो इट विल बी 3x plus 5x plus 7x will give me 300 meters, isn't it? And I know that if I solve this, I will get x. And if I get x, I can find out 3x is one of my side, 5x is another side, and 7x is the third side of the triangle. So let's find it out. This will be 15x is equals to 300. X will be is equals to 300 upon 15. So it comes out to be 20 meters. Since the perimeter is given in the meter, so we need to write the units as meter. So again and again in each and every sum I am focusing on the unit. Be careful with the units. And if it is given like some unit is in meter and centimeter, you need to convert it into 1 unit. ठीक है, चलो x आ गया हमारा. So the measure of side 1, a को मैं मान लेती हूँ, it is 3x. So it will be 3 into 20, this is will be nothing 60 meter. B will be 5x, that is 5 into 20, it comes out to be 100 meter. So C is nothing but 7x, it comes out to be 7 into 20, that is 140 meter. So आपको तीनों sides मिल गए, and आपको एक बार तीनों sides मिल गए, and you know S is nothing but semi parameter. Parameter आपको दिया है तो it will be 150 meter, half of 300 meter. पैरामीटर मालूम है, साइड्स मालूम है, क्या जरूरत है किसी और चीज की. चलो एरिया का फॉर्मूला लगाओ. S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. So you have all the things with you ready. Just put करनी है 150 minus 60, 150 minus 100, 150 minus 140. So let's see what is the answer is. 150 into this will be 90 into this will be 50 into 10. Now can I club it like 5 and 2, 3 into 10, 9 into 10, 5 into 10 into 10. So what all can I take common? Can you see these are the two pairs? तो 100 तो बाहर आ ही गया. Can you see 5 के दो पैर? Again एक 5 बाहर आ गया. 9 का square root will be 3. So the remaining in the root, the number is 3. So the area comes out to be 500, that is 1500 root 3. It will be meter square. The area will be 1500 root 3 meter square. So I hope अगर आपको ratios दे दिए जाए sides के, तो कैसे वो ratios को use करके anywhere around the perimeter will be given to you, वो ratios को use करके हम कैसे area तक पहुंच सकते हैं. I hope Huron's formula यूज करके समझ में आ गया होगा कि कितना इजी हो गया एरिया को निकालना. यही अगर यदि हाफ बेस इनटू हाइट से निकालना होता तो पहले आपको हाइट के लिए मेहनत करनी पड़ती, जो कि Huron's ने बचा दी. So that is the wonderful formula which was given by the big scientist Huron's. Let's have a look onto this question. An isosceles triangle has a perimeter of 30 centimeter. So perimeter आपको दे रखा है 30 centimeter का. Perimeter दिया है तो semi perimeter भी निकाल लो. That will be 13 का half 15 centimeter. Now and each of the equal side is isosceles triangle है, मतलब कि उसके दो sides equal होंगे. Suppose these two sides. And if this is 12, this will be also 12. So if A is 12, B will be also 12 centimeters. ध्यान रखेंगे units का. Find the area of the triangle. तो area find करना है. क्या ये आपको नहीं लगता पहले वाले सम के जैसा कन्वर्ट हो गया? So it's very simple. Let's find out. So parameter is A plus B plus C, and it is given to you 30 is equals to 12 plus 12 plus C. So C comes out to be 30 minus 24. So that is 6 centimeter. So क्या आपके पास तीनों साइड्स हैं एंड आपके पास सेमी पिरामिड भी है, तो एरिया निकालना क्या मुश्किल है. एरिया इज इक्वल्स टू अंडर रूट s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. So let's have a look over here. 15 minus 12, 15 minus 12 into 15 minus 6. क्या आ रहा है देखते हैं. 15 into 3 into 3 into this will give you 9. So now let's take out the area here. 15 can be written as 5 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 9. So can we say that this is one pair and this is one pair? So 3 into 3, that is 9 under root 15 centimeter square. This will be the area of the triangle. Bingo! हो गया ना सॉल्व. बहुत ही इजी है. वोंट यू फील लाइक कि बहुत ज्यादा इजी है. 2 मिनट्स के अंदर ऐसे सम सॉल्व हो जाते हैं. So let's have a look on this question. The area of an isosceles triangle have a base. So base of an isosceles triangle is given. Again, this is 2 centimeter it is given, and the length of one of an equal side, this is 4 centimeter and 4 centimeter. क्या निकालना है? Area निकालना है. So I think it is very easy task now. Now what we need to find out, semi perimeter, that will be 4 plus 4 plus 2 divided by 2. So it will be 10 upon 2. It comes out to be 5 centimeter. A is 4, B is 4, C is 2. So you have side and you have S with you. Done with the question. So ऐसे टाइप के क्वेश्चंस आपको MCQ में पूछ लिए जाएंगे, which is very simple and you can just answer it within the minutes. Not even within the minutes, within a seconds. क्योंकि यहाँ पे जब मैं फॉर्मूला लिख रही हूँ, एक बार फॉर्मूला याद हो गया तो फॉर्मूला माइंड में ही बना सकते हैं. 5 minus 4, 5 minus 4, 5 minus 2. So you will get 5 into 1 into 1 into 3. So answer comes out to be root 15 centimeter square. Keep in the mind the units which we have. So I hope जितने भी क्वेश्चन आज हमने करे वो आपको सारे क्लियर होंगे. तो इसी के साथ हम आज का वीडियो इधर समाप्त करते हैं. एंड इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो वी विल बी कमिंग फॉरवर्ड विद द नेक्स्ट फ्यू सॉर्ट ऑफ सम्स रिलेटेड टू द हेरॉन्स फॉर्मूला. आई होप अभी तक चैप्टर आप लोगों को बहुत इजी लगा होगा. एंड मेरी माने तो चैप्टर में कुछ भी नहीं है, बहुत ही ज्यादा इजी है. एंड इट इज डैम इजी टू ग्रैब द मार्क्स फॉर दिस काइंड ऑफ चैप्टर्स. डोंट यू थिंक सो? बाय बाय. सी या इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो.